Hi there. If you are developing apps for Business Central using AL, then you've definitely seen app.json file. It's a small file, but it does a lot of heavy lifting. The command pitfall is forgetting to match the runtime version to the application version. So right now, we'll break down what's inside it and why it matters. What do you need to know to avoid version headaches and publishing issues? Let's dive in.
Okay, we have app.json file here, and this file is basically the heart of your app's configuration. It tells Business Central who your app is, what version it's on, and how it should behave. So the first one is ID. This is a unique identifier git, so you can only change it when you are creating a completely new app from scratch. Why? Because if you change it, you are breaking the connection to the previous version. So you have to uninstall the old one before install the new one. Okay, so the name and the publisher you can change them. No problem. Okay, let's talk about versioning. Actually, we can understand it almost literally based on the meaning of each word: major, minor, build, and revision. So here I have this major big changes or major new features, and minor small updates, features that's still compatible. And build represents bug fixes or backend improvements. Fixes or backend improvements. And the last one, pending adjustments. We can understand it like testing or development. So each part of the version number represents a level of change: major, minor, build, revision, from biggest to smallest impact. So like this one, brief description, URL, logo, we can leave them empty. These are for documentation and user info. So during the development, we can leave them empty, but later on we can fill them in for clarity. And then the next one, the privacy statement, EULA, and help, we can leave them empty too, is optional. And the next one is dependencies. If your app depends on other apps to work, so list them here. So right now it's empty, so this app is standalone. And next one, screenshot, is also optional. And the platform and application, they are target version. And this one is idRanges, is for our object number range. We can use the number between this one and this. And this part is resourceExposurePolicy, is for debugging. It's all enabled here. Next one, runtime, is our AL runtime version, and feature no implicit width. So this part is all about how the app is defined and behaves. Not visible to end users, but essential for development. And that's it. We've covered how versioning works and what the app metadata means, and hopefully this gives you a clearer picture of how everything fits together. Thanks for watching.